Here we are looking at SRGE, done this one numerous times and want to get it back here updated as been a lot of questions and requests coming in for it. And like I said, it's been a week or so since the last time I did it, and it definitely needs an update. But in some senses, it doesn't really need an update because there's nothing necessarily new that's going on with the chart. And what do I mean by that? Well, we've seen this current action happen numerous times before. We've seen big moves up, and then those followed by what are just pretty much nasty looking days. But the thing that SRGE has shown time and time again is this is just part of kind of the cycle, if you will, of how the chart acts. What do I mean? Well, let's go back to basically when the chart first came alive. You can see big move up, then had a nasty kind of day followed by a pullback. Notice the price never closed below the 50-day simple moving average. Again, not as big of a move, but nice move up, then a pullback. Never even tested the 50-day. Again, headed back up, closed at some new highs, followed by, you can see right there, that nasty day. Went back down, never closed below the 50-day simple moving average. Again, big move up here this time, followed by nasty day, and then pulled back. Again, never closed below this purple line, which is a 50-day simple moving average. And here we are again, big move up, and now a nasty day. So the point I'm getting at here is until the price closes below the 50-day simple moving average, then it looks like this is just yet another cycle in this history. And it's not like it's happened once or even twice. This has happened multiple times over and over again. So to hopefully answer the majority of the questions in one fell swoop, just continue to keep your eye right here on this purple line. Once again, this is the 50-day simple moving average. And as long as the price remains above this level and continues to close above this level, as it's done ever since coming to life back here, when was this? Back in early August, or excuse me, September. Then, according to the chart, there's nothing to freak out and panic about. Now, yes, if you're a day trader and you bought up here or something for a scalp, then yeah, you should have probably already been stopped out. But I know there's lots of longer term people in this, longer term swing traders, and people that are in this for the overall story and company. So for those people, the longer term, just watch just moving average. Again, obviously, if you're a day trader, you're going to have a little bit different perspective, but for the longer term people, this purple line, the 50-day simple moving average, is what you want to watch. And if you've been in this a while, I'm sure you've have been through each one of these different pullback cycles. So again, I feel like I'm kind of repeating myself, but there's really not that much to say just because the chart's done this numerous times. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the big one to get above is right here up at 0.0195. So that's really not necessarily new because that's been the case, but you can see the price did get up there and then did get knocked down. But as support-wise goes, you have the moving averages here, and then we'll just end where I kind of began. The key level of support, though, is going to be the 50-day simple moving average. So hopefully that helps, and you got something out of that. But until the price starts to close below that 50-day, I don't see any huge red flags because the charts have been through this before. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on an alert, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SRGE. Thanks for listening.